Me hear you there talk earlier about a couple minutes ago. You know, like a catty earth the heart and rare.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
What the hottest fuck pan story?
Hottest fuck pan story.
Yeah.
Funny enough, you know, me tell this pan the first podcast me ever do.
Yeah.
But for all those who don't know, in 2019, one Sunday night, my girl linked me and tell me, say, yo, if I come to this party.
Yeah.
I say, me a party from Thursday, whatever. I'm tired now. I have work Monday morning. She not working, most of them getting an ambition, but they look good, so you look past that. Anyway, she said, forward at the party. I said, nah. She said, all right, she go to the party. She text me the whole time she at the party. When the party we don't know, she called me. She said, babes, you know, I'm kind of afraid for what, go home. So when you stay up on the phone with me till me reach on my yard.
Word.
Okay, baby, I am a man. I'm gonna make sure you're safe as best as I can.
Yeah.
Although I'm sleepy, you know, my raspy voice and whatever, I did there with you. Yeah, bro, you know what I'm saying? The girl made me keep her company and she walk. Go link this Benz boy. This youth drive on Benz, but now I go say him name, but him know himself. I'm my friend now.
Jaja.
Yeah, man, and the Benz boy give me girl some buckles on the back seat, no dog, and me there on the phone. Like, so what them doing, you know, them, you click off at the FaceTime like so you can't see it, but it's still in the background, just a pause or whatever.
Yeah.
So me I hear some look, you know, like some people both to fuck and whatever and some shit like that. But me I said nothing can go so.
Yeah.
Me hear the phone and do it, me hear the so I see him nice, they I look lower than I wish that will make for me, she make it. Negus. I mean, me on the phone, you know, when me hear fucker go on, I would be born 2-3 minutes night, like said the Negus. And then no mistake, anytime I start reading kind of 2-3 minutes, me normally don't, you know.
Yeah.
And you know, them still do them thing, whatever. I mean, I said nothing can go so Negus.
Yeah.
And me stay and jump on my phone, no Negus, and you know, I could even blood clot go sleep. I mean, I say, nah, man, I'm tired, but I mean, I hallucinate and them thing, the Negus. The morning as my wake, when I'm charge it. We never say that, you see me?
Yeah,
dog in our group chat with the brother we fuck the bee. The brother they fuck the bee, get some picture, whatever, some video, send it to for them group chat. And my thugs taste and shoot across to me. Me even tell the dog a story yet, you know, bro. If you see if I dream or whatever, the dog just, you know, just send him, give me as daylight. And I said, Negus, to this day, I have a blood clap, is a hatred in my heart for Benz and the girl.
Jaja.
I said
no Benz.
I said this as a Gaza man before that. A cartel and Benz everywhere, you know. I can't wait to get a Benz. Niggas, if I even pull up to me too close to that Benz, me slap it off the road and shoot you up, niggas.
Jaja.
Me no want no Benz nowhere near me, bro.
No Benz.
No Benz.
Dog, say, hold on there. You hear mama cheeks, I get clapping in her back, girl.
Yeah.
Dog here.
It's faster. Dog, go faster. Yeah,
bro. Bang. Brother.
There you go. Me I hear all the recoil, bro.
Yeah,
You know,
I feel like you want to throw up a little bit.
all right, no, you know, we're like, I'm think about the story, bro. You know,
John, no, brother,
you know,
man, I lie to you, dog.
I'm over by that blood clot. See, I like it. All right, so don't do
Yeah,
it.
man. Dog said, somebody forget this.
Yes,
blood
man.
Revenge.
Yeah, man.
One I want to doom.
Yeah, man.
All I want to doom.
Yeah, the girl me catch. Yeah, you hear people say, whoa, me onto them.
Whoa. I should be what's in that clot.
Yeah, man, your bumbo clot, yeah?
Yo.
Yeah, man, you think?
Bumbo
There you go, that's why I'm not top fight and chase off of my dreams. You know, you think me I chase off my dreams to me?
Brother, I'm
I revenge me having in my heart. No.
I'm going to blame you, dog.
Vengeance, Negus. Every day.
Brother.
And the girl go there sleep good right now. So, yo. All right. Whoa, beyond to them, man.
You have a marga down and can't eat?
Negus. The story with the girl them. That was my third heartbreak. My third and final heartbreak for the rest of my life.
Lord.
The second one, in 2018, Negus, graduate high school and thing. Moved to Connecticut and everything started going wrong in my life. Negus, me up on the verge of suicide every day. Me think about to kill myself, self-checkout. Me get up, me I walk out in the road, me now look, pussy lick me if you want to lick me, no, me give a fuck. What you do? Whatever. Do it.
Jaja.
You understand? Turn up in the road, whap him. Is it there go beat him across here, go lick me, where I go whap him. So me I move Negus.
Jaja.
Me now comb me hair grow and start knotting up, my bush up, my beard up, me now beard for days, Negus. I'll be turn on my PlayStation, play it.
Play a game.
Me never a blood clot, I say, yo, I don't even know if I win last me, I don't remember that.
That's why the man them say, yo, don't put your heart all in, brother.
Negus, I give me a worst part that.
Because the
part of sufferation, then you have nothing to do with the girl, no.
Yeah.
But the girl call me. She in that Brooklyn. She call me. But cut her off. She start calling my family if you get in contact to me. She get in contact to me and then I start listening to her brother and the girls. Her voice so sweet, she's so fucking beautiful. Big pussy Asian girl. The girl bring me back to reality. Let me go back a barber shop, let me start beard again and say, yo, you know, so I'm too young to give up on life, niggas. The girl even get me to move back to New York, niggas. Come back to New York. And I go look for a girl at school like so boom, so I can't find a girl. Book up in some of my old friend them who used to go to school with me. The man them stays on when I dog say, yo, oh, you forward back socks, whatever, big up yourself, you know. Dog add me on Snapchat. You know, so I go on Snapchat, niggas. It's a skip through. A girl me see on Snapchat, no brother bust out a dog tongue wicked, you know, niggas. Like
Buckler.
And me say niggas, bumbo clot. Self check out again, you know, brother.
Check out, brother.
Me so making it low with me, no self check out the first time I just go suck him one fuck off.
Buckler, brother.
The girl pick me up just to drop me from my blood clot and tap it up, brother.
Jaja.
Niggas.
Fuck pan hot.
The pain I feel, you never know. Niggas. Niggas, me say, girl, kiss him, man. Me didn't know if I kissed the time as night, you know. So me used to go home and practice pan like my knuckles right or so. Practice the kiss or so.
What the fuck?
Anybody did it? Niggas. Yeah, man, you try to practice the kiss by your knuckle right or so.
No, brother.
Alright, watch this time. You know, maybe you don't know. You probably don't know. Get the buckle, like a regular water buckle. I'm gonna bite up it, tap away, put the cork pan, so that the lip then come down like so down. And then me choops them.
Yo, this nigga innovator, bro. I first me I hear that. The dog saying bite at the buckle until it two lip them kiss and come down, son. Bumbuckler. Hey, trouble. Hey, the boy now hold it to the mad man.
You know how long me I practice the kiss girl, brother?
No man, but bro, I'm not lie to you, man. Them thing that shape your fate, what's to come in the real world, bro. And a good thing said happen when you're young, because I hear why. It's enough, man, bro. You know, so the average man, nah, getting a pussy, brother.
True.
This I want to know. You might feel like all that dog them out here fuck be a pussy and rare. The average man is not getting no pussy. The average man, him start fuck late 20s, early 30s, go down the rest of his life. Enough of them man and not get no pussy. So the earlier you get your heartbreak, the earlier you find out female nature, you know what hypergamy is, you will alright for the future. I never know what the fuck that was. Me personally,
No, I mean, I tell you for the people that who don't know what hypergamy is, explain hypergamy to people.
So basically, hypergamy is a practice where woman, you know, them basically the highest bidder. Them go for the best option. Whether it come to genetics, finances, them one man we in some position where them can fend fit them and everybody else around them. Protect and provide, basically. So woman like man where have level and status, name, everything, power, hypergamy. And that's female nature. You can't blame them. Just like all man want specific things in a woman. We want a woman where have youth on her side. We want a woman where fit, feminine, friendly. The woman them want a man where will provide for them. You can't blame them.
Naturally.
A natural thing. Men are providers. You see me? So I just there's some of the with that when it comes to them thing there. But the earlier you get this so rip into pieces, the better you're going to be for the future. Not like Bobby Sacks says. Bobby Sacks wounded.
Yeah, man.
Bobby Sacks wounded and he's tormented and he's going through trauma.
Yeah.
So the dog say, yo, hide your wives, hide your girlfriends, hide your aunts.
Yes.
Balls deep, nigga.
Yeah, man. You see?